Hope you are doing good today. So today I'm going to show you one new feature of WhatsApp. So basically now you can send AI image to any of your friends. So let's start WhatsApp. So I'm into WhatsApp. So here, if I want to send something to my friend, so you can go to this, attach, and here you can see AI image. Okay. So these options were already there. If you can see this, sorry. So these other options are there. So there now we have AI image options. So let's see. Right. Okay. So let's see what it creates. Let's wait for it. This was a good feature which you can use. You can create any random image. So you can see these are different options. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll modify it because fine. So they are creating like this. Okay. So more you can friends to WO. Okay, male friends hugging each other. Okay, let's see what it creates. Okay. So this is really fast. I think it's processed on WhatsApp or Facebook server. So let's see what it's creating. Okay. So still it is creating woman and men. I'm not sure why it's not understanding. So let's build someone. And AM is DD. AM is DD. PERSON. In VEAUTIFUL, beautiful flower FIELD. Let's see what it creates. So see if you can see. So these kind of things you can send. So and prompts you can give yourself. Okay, so hope you have liked this feature. So please use it. See, she has two hands. So there will be some bugs, no issue. But see, this is a good image which you can send. This is a good image you can send. So it's generating very good image. So the way you tell WhatsApp to generate, it will generate it. So hope you like this feature. Please do like, subscribe the channel, and please try to use this facility and see how it is. Please support the channel. Let's comment if you like it or not. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.